Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to fix usernames so that only the first character is uppercase and the rest are lowercase. In SQL, we write the select statement. In the select statement, we need the user ID and the name. First, we extract first character and convert to uppercase. Then we extract the rest and convert to lowercase. We use the function Substring. From the column name, we start with the second character and continue till the end. This substring we convert to lowercase. The last thing we need to order by user ID. Let's run the query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, string capitalization is a built-in vectorized operation. We take the name column from user's data frame and we use str.capitalize method. This method automatically handles uppercasing the first letter and lowercasing the rest. Then we need to sort the data frame by user ID. And we are ready to return the result. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? The SQL string functions or Pandas vectorized functions? Let me know in the comments.